But some of the things I remember growing up was essentially going to the doctor, you would get a prescription, they would call it in for you, and ultimately you would have to wait, or the prescription would be wrong, or they would have to double check the insurance, and ultimately sometimes you would leave and not have the proper medication that you needed. Obviously you're not feeling well, so getting it at a later time and feeling horrible sitting at a pharmacy is not an ideal situation.
The ASMed system has been in place for us since the beginning, so thankfully we've been lucky enough to use it all along. Our clinic is so different from a regular doctor's office or urgent care facility. The patients are so grateful, and just the convenience of coming to a doctor's appointment and being able to go home with the medication, especially when you're sick, to not have to go and stop at an outside pharmacy, stand, wait in line, you're not feeling well, and wait for the medication.
My daughter is also a patient of this clinic, and there's been several times that we've come here and been diagnosed with an illness and left with a bag in hand. And being that we can get the medications we need to get on that road to recovery immediately is paramount.
In my prior job opportunity, I worked in the emergency room where we did not dispense any medications upon discharge. There were delays sometimes in patient care because there was confusion with the pharmacy or substitution needed. By prescribing what we know we have access to here in the clinic, we know that we can avoid that.
In the industry we work in, being a firefighter, medications are really what changes lives. You know, there's some times where immediate medication makes a difference whether or not somebody survives or not.
When I see the difference and the improvement of patient care with us being allowed to dispense the medication directly to the patient, I can see that the patient's gonna have much higher likelihood of being compliant with our recommended plan of care. The integrated system we have with our electronic medical records also makes it easy for the patient to request refills and pick them up in a prompt manner or have them mailed to them as well. There's very rarely a delay in patient care.
We also are able to order all of our medications and our supplies right through the program, which is a huge convenience.
I would definitely recommend ASM solutions to another clinic. It's really made my job so much easier here.
And the convenience, again, to our patients is immeasurable.